Welcome back friends, and if you are using your mobile for gaming purpose, editing purpose, and you are facing that your mobile is getting slow, sluggish, response is not super fast, then I am going to tell you 5-6 methods. By implementing those you can get extremely fabulous results. So not wasting much of your time, if you like the video after watching it, please do consider to subscribe the channel. The last setting is the important one, so please try to watch. Please watch the video till end. So it will be applicable for any smartphone. I am showing it on Samsung. So not wasting much of your time, just starting the video. Just go to the setting and activate developer option. How to activate developer option? I have already made a video, so I have already activated it. Then go to the developer option, and now in developer option what you will find, just go to the debugging here. Then in debugging go below system tracing, then tap on here, then go to the categories, and then here go below. These two options should be on. Frequency, CPU frequency, just turn it on. GPS fixed graphics, just turn it on. Okay, now go back. Then in debugging there is a graphic driver option. Just go here search for the app you are trying to increase the speed of your mobile. Then I am here, I will show you. I am playing Free Fire Max. Just turn it and just tap on there and select system graphics driver. Okay, that's all. Go back. Now the third one. After going back, just keep down and go to the apps input. Go below apps, and don't keep activities, just turn it on. It will destroy every activity as soon as the user leaves it. So be careful. If you want to increase the speed, then this should be on. After that, doing that work, you can keep it off also. It is up to you. If you don't want to keep background activities, just make it on forever. So this was the third. I will make it off. Then the fourth setting was go back and here search pointer, and in go to the pointer speed, and here make it fast. You can make this also fast. So this was the fourth setting. Then next go back and go to the battery option in the main setting menu. Just go to the setting, and in the main menu you will find battery and device care. Here in other mobiles you can find battery, or you have to go into battery, and then in battery just go to the memory, and in memory it will come after. You can clean here. Okay, and free up memory by stopping background apps, and then go to the RAM plus and select whatever maximum is available in your mobile. RAM plus uses your phone's storage space to provide virtual memory. So this is one thing, and then just check the software has been updated. Okay, and the last one is just go to the settings, and here you will search game booster setting, and go and select the game optimization to the performance. Okay, this is what you have to done, and after doing all these things, just restart your mobile. And when you will restart, you will find the significant difference in the performance of your Samsung phone. This is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, Not only Samsung phone, if you will do these activities in other smartphones, they will also behave better than before. So this is what I wanted to tell you. If you like, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.